was your card?
Five of spades? What the f? No, it's not.
It is, check it out.
Oh my god, seriously?
Are you kidding me? That was stupid. He doesn't know me. He just literally walked in my store and totally messed me up with this. Wow, nothing I can say, but that's ridiculous. But I do have 125 cameras in here right now, and I will be figuring out how you did that.
Why do I have this?
I will show you.
Okay.
Just say stop.
Stop.
Right here.
Sure.
Look at that card. Sign it for me.
Okay.
Great. Your card's in the deck. I'm going to use the knife to find your card.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Just like that. You see one card sticking out?
Yeah. But that's not my card. That's just a random card.
See, it's stabbed in there?
Yeah.
What was your card?
Five of spades? What the f? No, it's not.
It is, check it out.
Oh my god, seriously?
Abstract effects.